good. It sounded like they're engaged with that. Let's see there. Make sure it's attached. Just don't know if it's on wish list. It feels like it is, but I was just not sure, so I'm going to go and just double check. If you're not sure, just take it off and do it again, you know. It's easier to change it now than strip the engine back down. See, we're locked solid there. We're not fully engaged. So it says installation. This one, I don't know if it's engaging. It feels like it is. I just want to know how to make sure. It's like an end, you're not really sure. So I'm not sure it's in there properly. I don't know how else I can check this in. We're at 12 o'clock. That's it. Sounds good. See, it's worth just doing it a few times just to make sure. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, I'm happy with that. Good. So yeah, just take your time, because basically I'm trying to engage. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to engage this. This like the oil drive at the back there. I'm trying to engage it with the clutch basket, and so you've got little pins, and you're never sure until you. I just failed to go home, so it makes me much happier. I feel like that's good. So that's good. And now I can put it in a clutch basket. So I've got a new clutch basket. Which is this one here. Put this one on. Banking new. So I've got to just make sure I'm not going to forget anything else. Like the springs. And the pace bars. Job inside. Okay, so I've got the old one here in a bag. I just keep it all, I'll show you, tied together with the plates. So what I do when I pull it off, I just keep it all together with a thing for it, so I know exactly where everything goes. Nothing's going to fall apart. So now I can just literally put the new one on, put that washer on first, and go from there. So I can just take it off, put that on there, placing that. And my new clutch in now. Lovely spanking new thing, lovely job. Pretty sure I can then put all the plates on. All that noises. Nice enough. There's my old basket. There's some left anything on there. I think there's nothing there on there. So I'm going to put the clutch actually straight in. So I'll wash it as well. See, this is why I keep everything together, because it's easy to lose apart. And things like that. I'm literally putting it straight off and putting it straight onto the new clutch. So I don't want to lose track of everything. And there's an upper one there. It goes through this, that's going to go like that. It's a spring one. I'll start feeding the plates through. If I can get them like that. Okay. Thought I was going to be funny there for a minute. So obviously we're going this one by one. Do this one by one, much easier. I'll just stick the old pack in. And these obviously I've been in before, so I've not really oiled them anything before. They're pretty good. It was a new clutch not so long ago apparently, so it feels good when I was driving it before. I've driven this bike obviously, for the, I mean, you watched it ever videos. It's not like a new bike to me, I'm fixing it, but it's newish. But as I said, a few issues. I've already had the engine out once to fix the head gasket, and now I'm doing the gearbox. Just suddenly went, there's a video of it, it showed my first time I put a GoPro on, and my fourth gear went. And then obviously if you see the videos, you can see I found the tooth in the box, in the sump. So I've cleared all that off, cleaned it out. Have a look back for the other videos, you'll see it. And then whilst I was waiting for these parts from Japan, I got busy doing some mods, like some indicators, done a flapper mod, did the put a new exhaust stud, had to get out, did that. I just got busy with stuff I wanted to do that I was too busy riding to actually do. Yeah. So I think the last one goes to the other side. If I'm correct. There's two. There's one. I'm just going to check that before I go too far. I need to put everything on there. See if it's going to wash there. So I was thinking that. I'm just going to check this. Loading the clutch plates in. Maybe put the clutch plates in because has a fin at the top. Yeah, so I'm just using my impact. I'm just going to quickly get off my van and get my impact so I can do this. What I do actually, I actually hold the this is the pin. You always have to replace these because you stake them. Actually, you can see that. You can still see that. So that's the pin number. Yeah, I'm just going to get my impact because they on, and then slowly get tight. I've got my torch back now, it's a bit blind. My batteries and my things are dead, I'm charging my GoPro. There you go. See what I'm doing, so I need a 35 on that. Oh, I need a battery. Oh, for God's sake. I'll buy that battery. So yeah, this one needs to be on the adjustment. Right. Just give it a second, I've got to find the converter. Box of bits of tools that I sometimes use. Oh, actually, it might be. No, that's not. No. What size? Oh, that is that one. So. Oh yeah, no, it's fine. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just. Obviously, you are supposed to talk these, but it's so hard to talk. Oh yeah, I need that one, don't I? Let me have a look. We might get budged in a minute, I'm afraid. I don't know where I'll put that converter. Workshop's actually quite tiny as well. I don't know why I've lost it. That's the big one. I actually don't know where I put it. It disappeared somewhere. Oh, it's always the one. Oh, fuck's sake. It's always the way, isn't it? When you try and look at something, you just end up putting it upside down. Right, so I don't know where my half-inch drives, half-inch to 3/8. It's fun. Shit. Where have I put that? I'll probably put it somewhere really safe, but I'll find. Right here, everything's now. Okay. Sorry guys, I might be starting to get over but skip a couple of 10 seconds, and if you've got the clutch on, you've gone too far. Probably left it somewhere, obviously. I think I actually left it in my it's not that long, is it? Oh, I'm an idiot. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're back to the It's a big old bar. Always starting by hand. I'll check that, make sure I check that. Because I remember there being a space on the outside. It goes on that way. Oh, there you go. That's better. Tires. It's throwing me off. I'll do this by hand, kind of slowly in. Until it starts spinning and I'll just. Yep, so your clutch is now spinning. So if you push the pressure plate, you should be able to get enough light on it. Yeah, that's pretty good. If you're not sure, just give it more. Make sure you locate it properly. Push it all the way. I'm pretty happy with that. Yeah, because what is it, you just effectively pushing the clutch again. So we've got a wash on that, and then so we put this one back on. So in there, brilliant. And then we can put the springs and that on, I guess. Let me just double check. You put the springs on, you put the inserts in. There's a little clutch lifter. Oh, that goes at the end, I think. It's in that bag, so it's not too bad. It's just a little, it's just like a little rod there that you push in the end.